In this video, we're going to look at a problem that uses a table and asks you to calculate the mean of the numbers in the table. So if we have a problem like this that says a group of friends were comparing their video game scores, what is the mean of the numbers? So this is the group of friends and these are their scores. Okay? So we just need to use the numbers in the table to calculate the mean. And what is the mean? So the mean is also the average of the numbers. And the average is calculated using the sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So the sum of the numbers, we just add up all the numbers. 18 plus 15 plus 22 plus 17 plus 13 equals 85. Then we add up the number of numbers. It's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 numbers. Then we do the calculation that we see here, right? So the mean, which is the same as the average, equals 85 over 5. And that equals 17. So we know the mean is equal to 17. And that's the end of the lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You might only be one explanation away from understanding it. So you could just rewind the video and watch it again.